How to fix the automatic repair loop. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 10. If your startup repair couldn't repair your PC, what you can do is force restart your PC, and then you can see it's going to give you this automatic repair option. Choose advanced options over here and then click troubleshoot, and then choose advanced options and choose command prompt. In the command prompt, you have to type the command C:, and then press enter. Now type dir and press enter again, and then type D and press enter. Now type dir again and press enter again, and then you can see you have these program files over here, and then you have to type config and press enter, and it's going to give you this option. Now you have to type copy *.* backup and press enter again, and then you can see that the 10 files are copied now. Now you have to type regback and then press enter, and then press dir and press enter. Now here you can see these are the program files over here, and now type copy *.* and then press enter, and now type A and press enter. And now you can see the 5 files are copied, and now you can just type exit and press enter, and then it's going to give you the option to restart your PC, and restart your PC and you're good to go. That's a process that you can follow to fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 10. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.